E numbers?
Yes.
I think, okay, sorry. Let me see whether, yeah. Okay, these are all the E numbers, which are all animal, insects, hair, fish, and dairy origin. Yeah, you'll be surprised to see how much of non-veg, meat or animals that are added into our ingredients. Yeah, so that is why you must know what this E120, E322 means. Yeah, you can Google and find out what it is. Yeah, you find that even the vanilla flavor ice cream that you eat, it is not from the vanilla that we get from the real vanilla. It is basically from the beaver's glands. Yeah, they extract from the glands. So once they extract, the beaver dies. They don't live long. Yeah. So and then you get all this coloring. Yeah, for your cakes. So all these are from the insects called coccinelle bugs. So you get all this shellac also from some insects, and you'll be surprised that in the past, this bread that we got had contained hair. And they had once we found that it is there, people started wondering why we should take that. And that time it was written as I can't remember that, but now they put it as in a code form so that people do not know what it is. Yeah, so we must always read the label. If you find that there are codes like this, you must look at it whether it is animal origin, because we are not sure whether it is clean or what animal is coming from. So this is what we are worried about. Yeah. Okay, next is, I think the next slide is, yeah, this is nutritional facts. Yeah. So,
Sorry.
so
Yeah.
yeah, I think we have got one more slide, I think. Is it there? No?
Sorry, doctor. Regarding which one?
Regarding the, wait, slides, carbs.
Sorry about that.
Yeah. Okay. It's okay. I think that's about it. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. So that actually concludes what I need to talk. I didn't talk in detail about protein, carbohydrate, and all, because being in the nutritional university, I'm sure you all know more than me. Yeah, on this. Yeah. So diseases including overweight and obesity, all these are dangerous. And I'm sure Dr. Jessreen will showcase to you how we can transition, how we transitioned more than 150 omnivores to plant-based diet for 14 days, and the amazing results and the transformation to the health. Yeah, that I think Jessreen will share with us. And these are people who became plant-based immediately. It's like cold turkey. Actually, it's not on a slow mission. It was on a fast mission. Yeah, and they all enjoyed the 14 days. And end of the 14 days, when you took the blood results, I'm sure Jessreen will share that with you. Yeah. So now that's about it, and I'm sure you'll enjoy seeing those results. And it is real results. Yeah, it's not something that is booked up. And we plan to bring this up to our. We plan to bring this to the Ministry of Health to create awareness among them and also to the public. We have also engaged with the Malaysian Medical Association, because we don't see that even doctors are also sick. They also fall ill. They are also obese. So we want to know how we can help them too. Yeah. Okay. We'll go now next to transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle. It's a step by step, and what are the challenges that you can face along the way. Yeah. Okay. So now we'll see the reasons to go plant-based diet. Yeah. What are the reasons? Yeah. So let us see. So if you have already decided after listening to this to become vegan, you will say how to start, where to start. Transitioning to a vegan lifestyle can seem really daunting, but often the idea of a big lifestyle change needs determination, willpower, and also a reason for this change. You must have a real reason why you want to change. Yeah. So there may be a number of reasons why you want to change. If you focus on making one change at a time and progress in progression to veganism will be quite natural. It's important to go at your own pace and decide on the method that works best for you. Yeah. Okay. So now let's go. Let's see what are the reasons why people want to change to a plant-based diet. Yeah. The first and foremost is health and immunity. When we take plant-based diet, we find that health improves, the immunity increases, and the good flora, bacteria in your gut becomes good. That means you have the very good bacteria, and those meat eaters, they have poor bacteria. That is why you find that the diseases like constipation, colon cancers are on the rise. Yeah, eating all this barbecued meat, the carbon particles. So all this can cause problem to your own health. Yeah. Some want to do some weight loss, and compassion to animals are some of the reasons. The other is environmental impact, and some want to reverse aging. So you find that people are reversing their aging just by going to plant-based diet. So we have seen many on this, yeah, and there are many articles and many doctors who have spoken on this reversing age. So I'm sure ladies will be very, very happy to note this. I'm sure they like to look younger than what you are now. Not that you are old, you are still young, you can be younger. Yeah. And cultural and religious reasons are the other. In my days, when I started becoming a vegetarian or vegan, culture and religion was number one. Now it has fallen back to somewhere in the lower rank. Yeah. Health and immunity has become number one. Weight loss number two. And environmental impact was number three. And compassion to animal welfare was number four. And reversing aging was somewhere in between. And the other is economic reasons. Why economic reasons? Because it is cheaper to eat vegetarian food than meat food. Because meat is no longer cheap, it's expensive. And the other is when you fall ill, you spend more money in the hospitals for your health to get your health better. So these are reasons why we say economy is very important. Yeah, because the day you fall ill, everything is at a standstill. Family suffers, you suffer, your finance suffers. So we want to prevent all this. So to prevent this, plant-based diet or plant-based lifestyle is preferred. Yeah. Okay. Now let us look at how we can transition. We need like-minded friends, to see whether we could learn from them or share with them what we want to eat and how we want to eat. Yeah. And be a change for that. Yeah. and then you just add vegetables to your current diet. Never stop your diet and then take vegetables. Then you find that it's boring. Yeah. So you must add vegetables to your current diet and slowly reduce your meat intake, and then come to a zero. Maybe it may take 1 month, it may take 14 days, some people may take 6 months, it doesn't matter. But slowly reduce till come to a zero. Yeah. And if you cannot, at least keep about 10% rather than 90% meat food. Yeah. And then you must read more about plant-based diet. These all you can see in videos. Listen to plant-based doctors like Neil Barnard, Dr. Michael Greger, Colin Campbell, Dr. Onish. So all these people have been in this for a long, long time, and they are marvelous and interesting speakers who you can you can share their knowledge from time to time. You can also get into your website to look at easy recipes. So join cooking classes. Easy recipes you can get either Asian, Oriental, Western, Malaysian diets. You can always get recipes from there. Now we have our Chef Chef Dave, who is having cooking classes for easy recipes and all a plant-based diet. Yeah. So you can listen. I'm sure he's going to talk to you, I think today or tomorrow, I think. So you just listen to him, and he will give you all the tips for that. Yeah. And slowly withdraw the meat, junk food, unhealthy snacks, sugar, animal fats, high sodium must be off your diet. It must be off your diet. Otherwise, it's very difficult to get your health back to better. Yeah. And I'm sure there will be always craving. Yeah. Especially for sugar. There's a craving for sugar. There's craving for meat. Some of them who were in the group had craving. They couldn't resist. There's one who just went and said, I had to cheat this day, and took a sausage. Yeah. So we just allow them just for the day, and then they go back to the normal diet again. Yeah. So we need that, and we always choose partners who are like-minded, as I told you earlier. And if you are not able to get them, change them, try to change them to your side. Yeah. So that way you find that it's easier. And the other important thing is every university now, Ministry of Health, recently Director General of Health has issued a circular to all hospitals that their canteen must have a vegetarian outlet. Must. Yeah. So it was a recent circular that we got because we appealed to the Director General of Health that there are many people who want to change and they are not able to get the right food. Yeah. So now he has directed all the pangaras that all hospitals canteens must have a vegetarian outlet. Yeah. So I'm sure this can be also adopted in all universities, colleges, and schools. And schools are very, very important because that is where we begin our nutrition. So if we do not control the schools, it's difficult when they grow big. When they are adolescent, they want fast food. And all the fast food are coming here from United States because they are no longer wanting all this fast food anymore, because they are all changing to plant-based food.